Afternoon, I'm Sarah Fergani. Thanks for joining us. We're continuing our coverage now in the trial involving three former SAPD officers who are accused of shooting and killing Melissa Perez back in 2023. In the last few hours, defense attorneys finished cross-examining a key witness who had been on the stand for 4 days. KENS 5 reporter Megan Reyna has been following that trial since the very beginning, and she joins us once more right now in the courtroom with the latest today from the Justice Center. Megan, what did you see?
Well, Sarah, finally, that first officer to arrive on the scene in June of 2023, Officer Jesus Rojas, was done testifying. He has been the focus these past 4 days, all week, because he was the first person to come in contact with Melissa Perez, and then he was there when she was shot and killed by the three now former police officers. The defense has been grilling Rojas about SAPD training and policy, about why he didn't arrest her right away, but Rojas has stood by the fact that he wanted to calmly talk with Perez before taking any action because he sensed she was suffering from a mental illness. Ultimately, Rojas testified that a hammer is a deadly weapon and use of force is warranted if someone is trying to attack an officer with a hammer. That's the point the defense has been trying to get across to the jury. They say the three accused shot and killed Perez after she charged at them, but she was inside her apartment. They were on the patio. The state, however, will continue to try and convince the jury that force was unwarranted, and the officers escalated the situation. Right now, another SAPD officer who's not charged in this case, Officer Jonathan Salinas, is on the stand. He was the third officer to get to that scene. His testimony is crucial because Perez was seen on body camera attempting to hit him with a hammer when he tried to enter her apartment. He didn't fire any shots, but he did draw his weapon and call for backup. And ultimately, that's why the three accused officers came to the scene, was because of that call that came in from Officer Salinas. I'm going to head back into the courtroom and continue listening to his testimony right now. He is being questioned by the state. He was called up by the state, and then we'll expect him to be cross-examined by the defense. For now, reporting live from the Justice Center, Megan Reyna, KENS 5.